So we want to figure out the base curve of some lenses, and what we do is we use a lens clock to do it. It kind of gives us the dioptic power of the lens, and then from there we do our kind of math to figure out the base curve, okay? And so what we're gonna do is, as you know, we have a sheet to work on, so I'm gonna be working on it on my computer, and at the end I'll show you how it looks. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna find the front surface base curve of each meridian. We're gonna start on the right eye, and so how you do so using the lens clock, you're going to find the center or the OC of the lens, and then you're gonna press the lens clock. The end points are kind of straight and stiff, but the middle is the part of the dial that actually moves. And so as you press it against the lens, you'll notice the middle moves closer to an equal angle with the other ones, and it gives you a number. So I have a +6, all right, and that is gonna be on my 180th meridian. And so I'm gonna put 180th, all right? And then on my 90th meridian, which is this way, okay, 90th meridian, let's see what we have here. On my 90th, we have there we are. On my 90th, we have a +7.25. And then on my oblique, which can be a right here, we're looking at a +650, okay? And so from there, we would look at the smallest number. Let me see, 725 plus 650. And then from there, we would look at which meridian it has the smallest dioptic power, which is the 180th. And so the +6.00, it's gonna be our base curve for the right eye, okay? And now we're gonna do the left eye. All right, we're gonna find, voila, 180th, we're looking at +6. 90th, we're looking at a +625. And oblique, we're looking at a 650. All right, so 675, and a +50. All right, and looking at the left eye, the base curve, which is the smallest meridian, is the 180th also, so it would be the +600. Now to find the back, to find what is the base curve of the back surface of the lens, we're gonna use the meridian that we used to find the front. We're gonna use that only meridian in the back, which was 180th for both the left and the right eye. And so on here, what we're gonna do is for the left eye, looks like we're gonna have a -5.50. And then for the right eye, sorry, I didn't do it up close on the camera, right here, all right? And then for the right eye, looks like we're gonna have a -4.25. I'm gonna write that in. And so for our back surface, it looks like it's gonna be, for the right eye, -4.25, and the left eye, -5.50. Now to find the nominal power, what you do is you're gonna subtract the front base curve from the back base curve. So the front base curve was a +6, and we're gonna subtract it from the back surface, and this is for the right eye of -4.25, and it gives us a +1.75. And then we're gonna do the same for the left eye, which the front base curve was a +6, and the back base curve was a -5.50. And once you subtract that, you get a +0.50. And they were both at the 180th meridian, so you jot that in. And let me do a little touch up here, and voila. Show you my screen. So that would be your total. I don't know if you can see it too well, or maybe I have to move it closer. What I'll do is I'll also add this sheet on the YouTube.